Let's take a plunge at Thetford's Aqua Magic 6, the ultimate lightweight toilet for any RV bathroom. The Aqua Magic 6 boasts a polypropylene construction without sacrificing durability. We designed this toilet to be easy to install and take up minimal space inside the RV bathroom. The Aqua Magic 6 has a deep bowl, providing ample space and comfort for the user. The Aqua Magic 6 features a gravity flush system operated by a front foot pedal and comes with a slow close seat and cover. The high-profile version is ADA height compliant. We also offer a low-profile version, perfect for any RV bathroom. There is an aftermarket handheld water sprayer that easily attaches to the connection of this toilet. This allows for easy cleaning of the toilet while saving water. With the Thetford Aqua Magic 6, you're getting a lightweight toilet that's reliable, functional, in a space-saving design.